To Smart Education. Today we are going to solve chapter 5 linear equation in two variables of class 9th, practice set 5.2. Question number 1 of practice set 5.2. In a envelope there are some 5 rupees notes and some 10 rupees notes. Total amount of these notes together is 350 rupees. Number of 5 rupees notes are less by 10 than number of 10 rupees note. Then find the number of 5 rupees and 10 rupees notes. This is our question. So we'll start with solution. As you can see, what is given, 5 rupees notes and some 10 rupees notes. Total amount of these notes together is 350. So we'll start with solution. Let the numbers of 5 rupees notes be x. Okay, let the number of 5 rupees note be x and that of 10 rupees notes be y. Okay, now with the help of this two we'll get the value of x note of 5 rupees equal to rupees 5x and the value of y note of 10 rupees equal to rupees 10y. Now the total, therefore the total amount of this note is given to be rupees 350. Now therefore 5x plus 10y equal to 350. Okay. First equation. Now by second condition, the 5 rupees notes are less by 10, the number of 10 notes, then find the number of 5 rupees and 10 rupees they have. So here we are going to take x equal to 2y minus 10. Okay, less by 10 than number of 10 rupees they have. So now as you can see, it is not in general form. So we are going to write x minus 2y equal to minus 10. This is our second equation. I hope you understood. Now here as you can see, what is given, the first equation is 5x plus 10y equal to 350 and second equation x minus 2y equal to minus 10 is given. So what we will do, we will multiply the second equation with 5 so that we can get here 5x. So I am doing that. Multiply equation second by 5. 5x minus 10y equal to minus 50. This is our third equation. Okay, now we are going to add equation first and third to get the value of x or y. So we are going to do that, adding equation first and third. Okay, so therefore we are going to add equation first and third. So first we will write 5x plus 10y equal to 350 and here 5x minus 10y equal to minus 50. So as you can see, we get here plus and minus 10y So this is going to be, now this is going to be cancel. Now here we'll get 10x equal to 300. Now x is equal to 300 and 10. This both get cancelled. What remain? X is equal to 30 will get. X is equal to 30 answer we are going to get. Now this is our x value. Now we are going to substitute x value in one of the equation to get the value of y. Now therefore substitute x is equal to 30 in first equation. So here we are going to use first equation, that is f 5x plus 10y equal to 350. Okay. Now here 5 in the place of x 30 will come plus 10y equal to 350. Okay. Now as you can see what we'll get. Now here 5 will get multiplied with 30, then we'll get 150 plus 10y equal to 350. Now 10y equal to 350 minus 150. I hope it is visible. Now after 10y equal to, we'll get 200. The same I am going to continue here. I hope it is visible. Now here y is equal to 200 upon 10. Then we'll get y value as 20. We got the value of y as 20. So here the number of 5 rupees note is 30 and number of 10 rupees note is 20. I hope you understood question number 1. Now question number 2 is given. The denominator of a fraction is 1 less than twice its numerator. If 1 is added to the numerator and denominator respectively, the ratio of numerator to a denominator is 3:5. Find the fraction. Okay, this is our second question of practice set 5.2. Now we'll start with solution. Let the numerator, what is given? Let the numerator of fraction be x. Okay, and the denominator of fraction be y. Okay. Now by the first given condition, what is the first given condition? The first given condition, what we get? Twice its numerator. Fraction is 1 less than twice its numerator. So y is equal to 2x minus 1. So it is not in general form. So we are going to do, we are going to write this in general form. So it will be minus 2x plus y is equal to minus 1. So this is our first equation. Okay. Now by second given condition, what is given? If 1 is added to the numerator and denominator respectively, the ratio is 3:5. So 1 is added, x plus 1 upon y plus 1, 3:5. Okay. Now we are going to cross multiply. This is 5x plus 1 equal to 3, y plus 1. Now this is 5x plus 5 equal to 3y plus 3. Now 3y will come, the 3y will come in left hand side, so it will become minus 3y. Okay, now here 5 will move to right hand side, so it will become minus 5. Now answer will be 5x minus 3y equal to minus 2. This is our second equation. Okay, now as you can see, what is given? Minus 2x plus y is equal to minus 1 is given in the first equation, and in second equation you can see 5x minus 3y equal to minus 2 is given. So as you can see here, we can take 3 here so that we can easily cancel the equation during the next step. So now what we will do, we will multiply this first equation with 3. So multiply equation first by 3. Okay, now here after multiplying we'll get minus 6x plus 3y equal to minus 3. This is our third equation. Now we are going to add equation second and third to get the value of x or y. So adding second and third equation. So we are going to add, that is first 5x minus 3y equal to minus 2 and 6x plus 3y equal to minus 3. Now here as you can see, minus 3y and plus 3y get cancelled. What remain? 1x. So I'm going to write minus x equal to minus 5. Now here also the both sign will cancel. What remain? X is equal to 5. So we got the value of x as 5. Now we are going to substitute. X value in first equation. Okay, so what is first equation? Minus 2x plus y equal to minus 1. Now in the place of x we are going to write 5 plus y equal to minus 1. Now here minus 10 plus y equal to minus 1. Again y is equal to minus 1 plus 10. Then we'll get y is equal to 9. Okay, we got y is equal to 9. But what is given? We want this 3:5 in the form of fraction. We have to write the answer. So here the numerator of fraction x is 5. Okay, is 5, and the denominator of fraction y is 9. Okay, so this is 5 upon 9. This is our answer. This is our answer of question number 2 of practice set 5.2. Now question number 3. The sum of the age of Priyanka and Deepika is 34 years. Priyanka is elder to Deepika by 6 years. Then find their today's age. Okay, now we have to find the present age of Deepika and Priyanka. Now we'll start with solution. Now what is given? By the given condition, let the present age of Priyanka be x year. Okay, we are assuming that Priyanka age is x year. Okay, now I hope it is visible. Now, and again we have to assume the Deepika age. So, and the present age of Deepika be Y year. Okay. Now, first given condition is what? The first given condition is X. The first given condition is the sum of the age of Priyanka and Deepika is 34. Sum of the age means X plus Y is equal to 34. This is our first equation. Okay. Now, by second given condition, what is given? See, Priyanka is elder to Deepika by 6 years. So, now X is equal to Y plus 6. She is elder to Deepika by 6 years. So, this is our second equation, but it is not in general form. So, we are going to write this in general form. So, what will come? X minus Y is equal to 6. This is our second condition. Okay, this is our second equation. Now, we are going to add both equation. As you can see, we are having plus Y and minus Y. So, I am writing adding first and second equation. What is given? X plus Y equal to 34. X minus Y equal to 6. Now we are going to add this both. So first we will cut plus Y and minus Y. So what remain? 2x. 2x equal to 40. Okay. Now here x is equal to 40 upon 2. Then after dividing we'll get x is equal to 20. Okay. This is our value of x. Okay. Now we have to find the value of y. We got the present age of Priyanka is 20 years. Now we are going to find the y, means Deepika age we have to find. So we are going to substitute x equal to 20 in first equation. First equation, that is x plus y equal to 34. In the place of x we are going to write 20 plus y equal to 34. Now y equal to 34 minus 20, because when left hand side number move to right hand side with positive sign will become negative. If negative is there, it will become positive. So here y is equal to 14. We got the value of y as 14. So now we are going to write therefore the present age of Priyanka is 20 years. Okay, 20 years, and present age of Deepika is 14 years. Okay, I hope you understood question number 3. Now we are going to solve question number 4. Now question number 4 is given the total number of lions and peacock in a certain zoo is 50. The total number of their leg is 140. Then find the number of lion and peacock in the zoo. Okay. Now we are going to solve this with the help of given example. We are going to start with solution. Now here what is given? Lion and peacock in certain zoo is 50. Total number of lion and peacock in certain zoo is 50. So let the number of lion be x. Now we are going to assume that we are having x lion and the number of peacock be y. Okay. Now by the first given condition, what is given? The total number of lion and peacock in certain zoo is 50. So x plus y equal to 50. This is our first equation. Okay. Now by second equation, what is given? The total number of their leg is 140. So the second given condition is given. The second condition, what is given? That the total number of their leg is 140. Find the number of lion and peacock in the zoo. Okay. So legs are 4 in number as you know. So we'll take 4 and peacock have 2 legs. Okay. So we'll take 2 in the place of x. 4x plus y. Y means peacock. 2y is equal to 140. This is our second condition. Now as you can see the equation, here x is given, here 4x is given, plus y, and here 2y is given. So we have to divide equation with 2 to get some changes in this. So we are going to divide second equation with 2. So it is the equation, as you can see, the all coefficient number can be divided by 2. So we are going to use 2 as divisor, dividing second equation by 2. Now here what will come? 2x plus y equal to 70. This is our third equation. Okay. Now we are going to subtract equation 1 and equation 3. These two equations we are going to subtract to get the value of x. So I am going to subtracting first and third equation. 2x plus y equal to 70, x plus y equal to 50. Okay. Now here we are going to change the sign. So plus will become minus. Okay. Now as you can see, plus y and minus y going to be cancelled. Now here this minus will get 1x. X is equal to, again here after subtracting 70 with 50 will get 20. Okay, we got the value of x is equal to 20. Okay. Now we are going to substitute the value of x in one of the equation. We are going to substitute value of x in first equation. In equation first, so x plus y equal to 50, 20 plus y equal to 50. Now y equal to 50 minus 20. Now we got y as 30. The y value is 30. Okay. Now therefore the numbers of lion is 20 and the number of peacock is 30 in number. I hope you understood question number 4. Now we are going to solve question number 5. Question number 5. Now question number 5 is given. Sanjay get fixed monthly income. Every year there is a certain increment in his salary. After 4 years, his monthly salary was rupees 4,500, and after 10 years, his monthly salary become 5,400 rupees. Then find his original salary and yearly increment. So we are going to find Sanjay original salary and yearly increment with the help of given example. Now let us start with solution. So let the original salary be rupees X. Okay, we are assuming that the salary is rupees X. Okay, and the yearly increment be rupees Y. Okay, so first given condition we are going to see. The first given condition is given. What is given? After 4 years his monthly salary was rupees 4,500 after 4 years. So X plus 4 years they have mentioned. So 4 year means 4Y equal to 4,500. This is our first equation. Now second given condition. Second given condition. After 10 years his monthly salary become 5,400 rupees. After 10 years. So X plus 10Y equal to 5,400. This is a second condition. Okay, this is second given condition. Now what we are going to do, we are going to subtract, as you know that x is there, plus 4y equal to 4x 4,500, here 5,400 in the place of y, 4y and 10y is given. So we are going to subtracting first equation from second equation. So I am writing x plus 10y equal to 5,400, x plus 4y equal to 4,500. Now we are going to subtract. Now here we are going to change the value of we are going to change the sign. So here minus will come, here minus, here also minus. So we have changed the sign. So x plus and minus x will cancel. Here 6y equal to 900. After subtracting we will get 900. So y is equal to 900 upon 6. Now y is equal to how much? Therefore y is equal to 150. We got the value of y as 150. Okay, now we are going to substitute y value in first equation. Okay, what is our first equation? X plus 4y equal to 4,500. So in the place of y we are going to write 150 equal to 4,500. Next plus we are going to multiply this both, will get 600 equal to 4,500. Now x will come here. Now 4,500 get subtract with 600. Okay, now we'll get x is equal to 3,900. After subtracting, the x value is 3,900. Now we are going to write the statement. Therefore the original salary of Sanjay is 3,900 rupees. Okay, and increment, that is also yearly increment, is rupees 150. Okay, now we have solved question number 5 of practice set 5.2. Remaining question we are going to solve in next video. I hope you might understood question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So please subscribe and share my channel. I hope you understood each and every step of this practice set 5.2 of linear equation and in 2 variable. Thank you.